Jatend piny William Ruto otelo ne romo mokelo kanyakla jotend migepe ma pachoka. Ruto notelo ne romo no mobagie kar romo ma KCB mantiere kare ne buore Nairobi. E thuolo no okawo okang' mar singo ni nyaka ochop kare gigo manosingo ne jopiny e kinde kampen. Ruto wacho ni moko kuom okenge mosekawo mag bero Kenya nyalo bedo ni kelo pek e thuolo ni, to mak mana ni en kod adiera nobiro chopo lek mare mar bero Kenya nyime.
Ourselves, how far have we come in terms of delivering the brick and mortar for development? Policies, programs, projects. Because right now at midterm, it's about delivery, impact, and not planning or even rationalization. We're also asking ourselves, I hope, how far have we come in terms of carrying along the stakeholders that constitute the Kenyan society, members of the public and sectors and the middle class and everybody else in between.
I have no intention whatsoever on escaping any of the commitments we made. We intend to keep them because that is how we are going to transform Kenya. That's how we are going to transform this nation. And I am committed 100% to the transformation of this nation. And I want to persuade you as my team, the Government of Kenya team, for us to know that there is no two ways about this. It has to be done because Kenya has to change.